Hey everyone, I am Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am so excited you are here today because we are talking about a chair that is about to make your work from home days feel like a treat, the GABRYLLY GY Ergonomic Office Chair. If you are tired of back pain from bad chairs or sitting in something that looks cheap and feels worse, this one is your fix for comfort that lasts all day. Picture sinking into adjustable support that fits your body just right, with a headrest for neck relief and a recline that lets you lean back after a long call, perfect for office workers, gamers, or anyone spending hours at a desk. No more stiff necks or sore backs. This ergonomic chair makes sitting supportive, stylish, and surprisingly affordable. Stick around because by the end of this, you will see why the GABRYLLY GY Ergonomic Office Chair is a must for desk dwellers and home office heroes. And hey, if you grab it through the link in the description, you support the channel at no extra cost to you, plus you get the best deal on Amazon. All right, let us dive into the features of this Comfort King. The GABRYLLY GY Ergonomic Office Chair has a breathable mesh back that keeps you cool during long sessions with lumbar support that adjusts to hug your lower back just right. The headrest flips up or down for neck rest, and the seat cushion is thick memory foam for soft but firm sitting. It reclines from 90 to 120 degrees with a lock for different positions, and the arms adjust up and down, in and out to fit your desk setup. The base is 5-star wheels that roll smooth on carpet or hard floors, with a gas lift for height from 17 to 21 inches to match your desk. It weighs about 45 pounds and supports up to 300 pounds, made with nylon and metal for strength. The chair comes with tools for easy assembly in under 30 minutes, and it has a 3-year warranty for peace of mind. Price is around $200, a great buy for the support and style it brings to your space. Okay, now for the real scoop, pros and cons after sitting in it for weeks of work calls and movie nights. Pros first. Number 1, the adjustable lumbar and headrest relieve back and neck pain right away. Number 2, mesh back and foam seats stay comfy for 8 hours without sweat or sag. Number 3, recline and arm adjustments make it fit any body type or desk. Number 4, easy assembly and smooth wheels move it around without hassle. Number 5, it looks modern and fits any home office without looking out of place. Overall, it turns desk time into comfortable time. Now cons, because balance is key. 1, the $200 price is mid-range, not the cheapest. 2, the wheels might scratch wood floors if not careful. 3, the recline is smooth but not super flat for full lounging. 4, it needs a flat surface for the best roll. 5, the headrest is fixed height for some users. But here's the truth, the pros make it a winner for most. If you sit 4 to 8 hours a day and want support that lasts, this fits perfectly. Not for super heavy users or full bed loungers, but for ergonomic comfort, it is a yes. So my recommendation, get the GABRYLLY GY Ergonomic Office Chair today. It supports your work and your back. Click that referral link in the description to get it on Amazon with the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your desk will thank you. Before we wrap, hit subscribe for more home office gems and click the link to support us. What is your must-have desk add-on? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching. You rock. If this helped, like, share, or subscribe for more. See you next time.